So this video we're going to talk about how to insert a text box or words onto your slide. Okay, so just like inserting a picture, just like inserting a video, we're going to go to insert, but now we're going to select the text box. Okay, so this is good for labeling things. Now I've clicked it, but nothing happened. So we have to make our text box. So let's say I want to label this hamburger. I'm going to click and drag as big or as small as I want where I want my text to go. Okay, so I'm going to put it in there, and this looks like it's a Whopper from Burger King, so I'm going to put Whopper here. Okay, and you can, obviously I didn't need it that long for one word, so I can shrink it just like I adjust the size of a picture. And then, now I don't want to stretch it, I want to move the whole box over. So if you put the cursor in the box until it turns into that icon with 4 arrows, now I can click it and I can slide the whole box over. Okay, and that's how you insert a text, but that's kind of plain looking. So if I want to make it look a little better or stand out more, I can change a lot of things on here. So I'm going to double click on my text. The first thing I can do is I can change the color of my text, and I can use all these tools to change things in my text. So first thing I can do is, if I want to change the word color, so let's say I go in here and here's all your text stuff. This is where you can change your font. So if I want to make it a different kind of writing, I can change the size of it. Right? That doesn't look good now, so I'll bring it back. And then you can also, we see if you float on top of this, it says text color. So click the little arrow. It'll do the drop down menu and I can choose whichever color I want. So it kind of just makes it a little less boring. Here's something else we can do. So let's double click. Not only can I change the color of the text, I can fill in the text box with the color to maybe make it jump out more. So once I double click and I have these options, put your cursor over the bucket. It says fill color, so we can fill in the box. Click on the triangle for the drop down. I'll just color it in yellow. Okay, and so now it looks like that. I can do a little more to it. So I'm going to double click on my text box again. And remember, once again, notice that when I don't select this, all those tools are gone. It's when I double click it, these tools come up. Alright? Look at this little icon with the pencil. It says when I float on it, border color. So I can change the color of the border that goes around the box. So let's say I make it red. Now I can't really see it because the blue selecting box is on. Click off it, and look, you can see the red border, but it's really thin, it's hard to see. So what can I do? Watch this, double click it, and then this next one, it says border weight. That's the thickness of the border. So click the triangle, and it's so thin because right now it's at 1 pixel. I can make it much thicker so it stands out more. Okay, so those are a lot of things that you can do here to kind of bring it to life. Alright, and that's how you insert your text into your Google slide.